truck. So let's go to tuning. Ooh, Ford Mustang looks so nice. So now let us click on Ford. So then it will show all the companies. So example, Ferrari I have chosen. Ferrari. Then it will show the Ferrari cars. I am choosing Ferrari 599. So let me click on the car. It's loading. It's loading and the car is there. When we click on the car, after that it will show the car. So let me open this arrow. Yes, then you can see all the parts. So there are rear number plates, muffler, side clips, side cards. So I'm going to go in paint. You can see in the left hand side, just click on that button. Then you can see all the colors. Then you can see white, matte, red, black. Then you can see gold. So I will click on gold. Then the car will fully be gold. So it's loading. Loading. Whoa! Looks very nice, right guys? So now let's go to the part section again. And let's go to body kits. In the body kits, it will show all the cars and how many cars are there. Like it's not like our car. So I'm choosing XX. Let me click on XX. So now it's loading. Whoa! Looks so nice, right guys? Let us click on back. And it looks like a Porsche car. Isn't it, guys? Looks like a Porsche car. Comment down below if it looks like a Porsche car. So let's go to a fender place. So we have classic white 2, classic white 1. I am taking 3D white 2. So it's loading and it's done. You can see this. Oh, you can see this. It's up the wheel. It has changed. So now let's go back. And let's go to rear fenders. So let's take 3D white 2 again. It's loading. It's done. So now let's go back and let's go to headlights. Woo! Let's take XX Evo. No. Let's take factory 2. Let's see what happens. Not that bad, but I'm taking XXE. Ooh, looks nicey. So now let's go to spoilers. So in the spoilers, it will show the back of the wing. There are wings that the car will go more faster. So I'm gonna take. What will I take? Yes, I'm gonna take extreme dynamics. Whoa! Looks so nice, right guys? So let's go back and let's see what's in hood. Whoa! So many options. So let's see factory snow any. I've never seen this before. Whoa! With the gold, it looks so nice. Sorry guys. Let's take factory carbon fiber. Whoa! Looks nicer than before. But I'm taking factory snow venue. I think if in the spoilers same color is there. No, it should not be there. So let's go ahead and leave front fenders. I think we have two front fenders. Oh, we have XX. So we have to use that only. I forgot that we didn't use. Oh, let's see in taillights. Taillight means the backlight of the car. So look, the backlight of chain. That time it was light and this time it's very dark. So I like dark. So I'm gonna take side mirrors. Wow! Let's see what option this came. Yes, there is factory snow venting. Whoa, looks awesome. And now let's take tinted glasses. Which one I think? Factory 40, factory 60, factory 80, factory. I'm taking the last one. Let's see what happens. Oh, looks so nice. As friends, we know to see what is there. What does BBS do? Oh, it comes in the head. I'm gonna take. Let's search again. Okay. I'm taking Revo. Let's back and let's see roof. Factory snow venting. The car is looking nice, right? BBS. No. BBS is not over there. Written there. What is written there? Oh, okay. Well, there are numbers too, so I'm gonna take one. Group 1. National car group 1 in the 3D Charles car and the 3D Ferrari F599 is gonna be their car. Our window details. So what we have here? So our was red. Revo, let's click on and now it's loading. Look, you can see it. Look, Revo. Let's front away. Red fender. What is there? So our was 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Revo it was. Revo. Wow! Our car is looking neat. Oh, suspensions. I think let's do it full low. Right, guys? A little bit higher. This much. Fully down. Little bit up. Yeah, perfect. There's all things are there. What's in trunk lid? What is there? Oh, let's take factory snow venue. It's my favorite. It looks right. It looks neat, right, guys? So now let's go to paint again. And you can see the light section. Just click on it. Then the wheels light will come off. Wheels light will come. It's on it. Wheel. Whoa! Looks so nice, right, guys? So now let's close this. And you can see mountains. Just click on that mountain picture. And color. Comment down below which one do I take. I will take the drift side. So comment down below which one do you like the backgrounds. Oh, this was not ours. This is the drift part. Huh? I don't know why. Oh, what? I'm going to take the drift part. Oh yeah, it came. We are going to do it like this. So you can see in the right hand side you can see a arrow. Just click on that. You can share your car in Instagram and Facebook. Let me close it. I don't want to share it. So you can see in the right hand side up. If you click on it, that your car will get saved. So let me tell you how you save your car. So let me click on that, and if you write anything on that, the name of the car will come. So I will write 5599. Correct? And now let me save this. It's uploading. It's uploading. Upload. Upload it. Upload. Oh, sorry. It's done. I was just singing. I love to sing. So now let's go to my garage. In the left hand side you can see 3 lines. So just click on it. It will show home, vehicles, gallery, notifications, versus notification, timeline. Challenge is also there. We can challenge anybody we want. Ladder board, my garage. So I will show my garage. Now it's loading. So you can see F99. So download this